Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add your LinkedIn profile link to a resume in 2025. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss how to make the link clickable and where to place it for a clean and professional look. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, we need to copy our LinkedIn link. In order to do that, simply open your web browser and search for linkedin.com. Once you are here, simply log in into your account. This will be your LinkedIn feed. So in order to find your profile link, you can either click on your profile in the left hand section, or you can first click on this Me tab in the top right hand corner and then click on View Profile. Now, whichever method you choose, you will be landed in your profile page where in the top you will see your profile link. So you can just press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard in order to copy this link. You can also copy it from the right hand section. This is the link which you can copy from here. After getting the link, you need to open that particular tool in which you are basically editing your resume. Currently, I'm editing my resume in Canva, but you can also follow the same thing in Docs or in MS Word. There you will find the hyperlink option and you can follow the same steps. So here in your resume, you will see the about section and the contact details. Underneath the contact details, you can simply create a new box with LinkedIn. So here, let's say this is LinkedIn. You have typed it over here. Now click on this LinkedIn box, then click on the three dots right next to it. Over here, you need to scroll down and select the option of link. You can also press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard in order to get this option. Now over here, paste your LinkedIn profile link just like so and click on the done option. Now you will see this underline option here in the bottom. It simply means that we have hyperlinked our profile link over here. So if you just click on it and click on this link, it will open a new tab, and this way you will be able to link your LinkedIn profile link to your resume in Canva or in any other tool. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.